Glad you've stopped by the trade table, where homeowners, seasoned DIYers, and first-timers all come together to take on projects that make a real difference. Some of you have been following along for a while, some are here for the first time, and others drop in regularly to pick up tips. No matter which group you're in, you're part of the community now. Today we're tackling a project that can completely transform a space: how to install a direct vent fireplace. These fireplaces are popular because they're efficient, safe, and versatile. But getting the installation right is critical. We'll go step by step through framing, venting through the roof and walls, and point out the areas where a professional is the best choice: framing. We'll start with the framing. Every fireplace model includes specific instructions, and it's important to follow them carefully to create the correct opening. Most fireplaces can sit directly on a combustible floor, but you can also build a raised platform if you want the unit to match the wall opening. Once the frame is built, slide the fireplace into place and secure it with nails or screws. For gas fireplaces, a fuel line will need to be routed to the unit. Fireplaces with blowers or electronic ignition systems will also require electricity. This is the point where a licensed plumber or electrician should step in. Inside the unit, there is usually a junction box where electrical connections are made, and the installation manual will explain exactly how this must be done. Passing through a roof. Now let's look at venting through the roof. Begin by applying a bead of high-temperature sealant to the first connection on the inner wall of the vent pipe. Align the pipe dimples with the channels on the flue collar, twist the pipe clockwise until it locks into place, and then test it by pulling up gently to confirm it is secure. As you continue the run of pipe upward, install a sheet metal fire stop each time the vent passes through a ceiling or floor. Add each section of pipe carefully and maintain the manufacturer's required clearance from combustibles. If your vent terminates above the roof, you can leave the pipe exposed or build a decorative chase to enclose it. For exposed installations, use a roof flashing to seal the penetration. The upper edge of the flashing should tuck under the row of shingles directly above it, while roofing nails and a quality sealant create a watertight barrier. Once the last section of pipe is in position, secure the storm collar and finish with the termination cap. Passing through a wall. For sidewall venting, a wall thimble or fire stop spacer must be used to protect the wall opening. Any horizontal run of pipe should slope slightly upward, about 1/4 inch per foot, to allow gases to flow properly. When you reach the wall, pass the final section of pipe through the thimble and install the termination cap exactly as the manufacturer instructs. If your home has combustible siding, such as wood or vinyl, you may need an additional spacer for safety. The installation manual will provide the details on spacing, framing dimensions, venting rules, and other clearances that you need to follow before making the final cut. Whether you decide to handle this project yourself or hire a licensed installer, careful planning is what makes the difference between a smooth build and a stressful one. A fireplace is a major investment, and correct installation ensures it performs safely and lasts for years. Always double-check the manual for your specific unit, and never hesitate to call in a professional for gas and electrical work. Thanks for watching this guide from the trade table on how to install a direct vent fireplace. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more step-by-step projects, and visit thetradetable.com to explore more resources, products, and how-to guides for your next upgrade.